Technical analysis is full of symbols, but for retail traders, one shape stands out as the ultimate prize. It is called the hammer candlestick, widely known as a near-perfect signal for catching a market bottom. So you spot the hammer, you place your trade, expecting a massive rally, and instead, the price drops off a cliff. If you trade this exact geometric shape entirely on its own, quantitative testing shows it fails about half the time. It is effectively a coin toss. In fact, if this identical shape appears at the peak of an uptrend, it gets a completely different name, the hanging man, and warns of an impending crash. A pattern named for a reversal guarantees nothing. The true signal is found in the chronological story of the wick and the surrounding market context. This diagram shows the anatomy of a textbook hammer candlestick. It represents a single trading session, broken down into open, high, low, and close. At the opening price, panic sets in. Sellers aggressively dump their assets, driving the market into a deep intraday decline. But before the session ends, massive demand, often from institutional buyers, floods the market. They absorb the excess supply and actively push the price back up, leaving behind this long lower shadow. By the closing price, the buyers have almost entirely erased the earlier drop. They lock in a small, compressed real body at the very top of the session's range, with little to no upper shadow above it. That long wick is the physical footprint of a failed sell-off. It proves that the market tested a lower price and buyers violently rejected it. But that rejection only matters in the right environment. Professional traders filter out the false signals by stacking multiple layers of contextual evidence. This chart shows a sustained period of declining prices. This prior downtrend is the first mandatory layer. Without an established decline in place, there is no downward momentum to reverse. The second layer is location. Notice how the long shadow in the red box is testing a logical floor. When a hammer prints exactly at a known historical support zone, it shows buyers are defending a specific predetermined line in the sand. The third layer is participation. A surge in trading volume exactly as the hammer forms proves that heavy institutional capital is driving the reversal, not just low liquidity noise. When a distinct downtrend, structural support, and high volume all intersect on a single candle, you have a high probability analytical tool. Even with a perfect setup, the hammer is never a confirmed conclusion. It is strictly a hypothesis of a reversal. To prove the hypothesis, look for a confirmation candle. This white candle closing above the hammer shows buyers maintained control. If the trade turns, the absolute lowest tip of that shadow provides a rigid mechanical boundary for a stop loss. Because that exit point is so close to the entry, traders secure a strictly defined, highly favorable risk-to-reward ratio before risking a single dollar. Precise technical analysis decodes the human behavior recorded in the data, moving beyond the mere recognition of geometric shapes. When you read the hammer pattern through the correct contextual lens, it provides a precise map of the exact moment fear ends and demand begins.